Hi, teacher. In this moment, I'm gonna present my video of the crime and all that things. Hey, Willie, can you tell me your history about the other day that you was in the bank?
Yes, brother. The other day, the other week, I was in the bank of Miami, and then um, I am depositing a dinner for my husband that he is in New York.
And then, what?
Oh yes, it was terrible. Uh, I am in the window with the girl, and then a crazy man entered to the bank. Sorry for my speak. I'm Mexican and I don't know better English than the estadounidenses. Sorry, I don't know that word. But I was in the bank and then enter enter running the goalkeeper, and then he 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 he's crazy. He take her gun and he shoot to the sky, and he shout, "Give me all the money!" Wah! He shoot for another man that was to my left and was crazy, you know? Oh my god, what a terrible history. And when the guy shoot to the sky and the other man, what did you do? Oh man, I I I don't know. I entré en pánico, you know? And then I'm go to the floor. Then I go to the floor and I don't know what to do. The bank robber take 3,100 millions of dollars, and that was so crazy because it was in the center, you know. In the center, all the people was running, was doing all the things that you can imagine, you know. And it was so incredible. But in that moment, I I take up, and I then he broke the window of the bank and he take all the money, you know, with another guy. But in that moment, he will take her arm and he shoot to the sky again, and all the people run away of the bank, including me, and we run away. But in the moment when we run away, the police enter of of the back of the bank, and the first bank robber run away so fast he could run away, but her friend, the criminal, was captured, and and the police take us to the to afuera del banco, no? And it was so exciting because I never stayed in a rubber bank. Well, no, in excuse me, in a in a I don't know, en una escena tan peligrosa, porque I don't know, it was so dangerous, and I don't know, it was so incredible, but oh,
Yes, I can imagine what could can be so incredible and dangerous. But thank you, Willie. Your history is gonna be a project to the school Intercanadiense Puebla, and is for prevent all people of that school to go to went a bank and take a gun, or that all the people in the school don't take a gun and go for a bank to take money. But thank you for explain your history. Yes, yes, no problem. Thank you for taking me for this incredible plática.